in and around South Mumbai since early in the morning today, and well, the mood on ground, people have been coming out to vote, especially in the morning. We saw a lot of the elderly and the senior citizens coming out to vote for the BMC elections. In fact, someone as old as 100 years old, we saw a 100-year-old woman also coming to cast her vote this time. And in terms of, India Inc. also, we saw some leaders coming in. Tata Sons N. Chandrasekaran, Mr. Sajjan Jindal had come in to cast his vote. Abhishek Lodha had come in to cast his vote. Even celebrities, a whole host of them in different parts of the city have also come out to cast their vote for, the long pending BMC elections. In terms of arrangements, it's been largely smooth across the city. Very few pockets of trouble have been reported where people said that, their booths were merged. They had trouble finding the exact booth where they had to vote from, or the government websites that are supposed to help you find your booth were down. Some people reported that their names were not to be found, or the names were deleted from the list and they were turned back. There were some pockets of trouble here and there, but largely what we're given to understand is that the voting has happened in a pretty smooth manner. Now, Mumbai is quite infamous for low voter turnout. Through the day, it's been pretty decent, but it is picking up in the second half of the day. Let's see what the last one and a half hours before it closes by 5:30, what that looks like. 2017, it was about 55%. But before that, it has never really crossed 50%. So yeah, one and a half hours left before 5:30. Let's see how many people actually come out to vote to make Mumbai a more livable city. Back to you.
Well, staying with